What did you do that for, you stupid? That was my brain 13 years ago, before I found neurolinguistic programming and hypnosis. It's hard to move forward when your brain is running habits and patterns and belittling you, calling your names, even creating doubts and fears. Fortunately, we know that these are brain habits, and the brain can change these and create new habits that support you even very quickly. So we've all heard of that phrase, you've got to believe in yourself. But how do you do that? No one's saying how. How do you believe in yourself when your mind is running old programs, and our automatic programs of our mind are formed and pretty much set by the time we're 7 years old? So these are other people's ideas, other people's opinions, judgments about ourselves that our mind has just taken on and started to run automatically in the background. They're not really true, but they can sure feel true. And because of that feeling, it colors everything in our life. So if you wake up dreading your day or feeling dissatisfied at the end of your day, or feeling like you're on a hamster wheel, every day is the same thing over and over, but you feel like you're getting nowhere, this is a clue that some very important things are missing. There is a process, a 3-part process to getting your life on track, getting so that when you wake up in the morning, you're excited about your day, that at the end of your day, you feel deeply satisfied, and you're connected to hope in your life, belief in yourself, and connected to your purpose. So the 3-part process, the first, you have to address these brain habits. They can be so destructive, so hurtful, so painful, and take so much energy to fight against them. But we can change them. I call these the I'm nots. Everyone has some form of these running automatically in the background. I'm not worthy. I'm not good enough. I'm not deserving. I'm not valuable, blah, 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 right? Keep in mind, these are brain habits. They just got stuck on repeat at the unconscious mind. I call it the automatic mind. The automatic mind is responsible for whatever's running in the background automatically, right? Now, the second part is to know thyself. That's a famous inscription on an ancient temple in Delphi. The idea is sometimes we don't even know what we want because we don't know what would be exciting for us. But when we really dive in and identify your unique brain styles, when you recognize what your hidden motivators are, hidden motivators that are running unconsciously in the background, then you can get really clear about what's compelling for you, what's exciting for you, what makes you tick, and how you can really create a deeply enriching life. The third part is to build your positive future. So if you want to get to that place where you're excited about life, you're connected to your core sense of self, building your confidence, and really expressing who you want to be, we can create that map to dialing in. What are the experiences you want to experience? What are the feelings that you want to feel? Who is that person you want to be as you're moving forward and expressing a great life? There is a unique recipe that you'll be creating through this class and this program. I'm really excited for this next live workshop in Salt Lake City. I hope you'll join me. Go ahead and see the bonuses at the bottom of this page and register, and I hope you'll join me. I have some special bonuses. And for the last 13 years, I've really been helping people update these core sense of self, how our automatic mind has learned to see ourselves. It's not really ours. It's based on other people's ideas, opinions, old cultural family beliefs and programs. And again, they feel true, but they're not really true. The truth is, you get to choose who you are, who you show up as, and who you are becoming. We are all in process of becoming even greater in our lives. So I hope you'll join me for this amazing workshop. I love this class. It's so much fun. You're going to love it. And there's a lot of extras that I've added to it to really enhance this understanding of yourself and crafting your recipe to your amazing life. So see the bonuses below, click, and join me for the next class. See you there.